Hello, my name is Mark Hatton. I'm the Associate Director of Recruitment and Admissions at Webster University in Geneva, and I'd like to inform you on behalf of the entire Webster Geneva team about the upcoming virtual open house on Wednesday, 27th of May. There'll be 2 virtual online sessions on that day. The first will be at lunchtime from 12 until 2, and another later in the evening from 5 until 7, allowing you to join us again or online if you're busy during the daytime session. Don't forget you can join us and listen in or chat from your phone. There will be a full team of admission staff, heads of programs, academic advisors and accommodation support staff available to answer questions by using our dedicated chat platform. There will also be live presentations about our exciting programs and our beautiful campus. Don't miss out, and we all look forward to seeing you very soon. Au revoir.
Webster University Geneva's campus is set in a suburban park in the lakeside village of Bellevue, surrounded by vineyards and mountain views. The campus is just 5 miles from the United Nations district of Geneva and 10 minutes drive from Geneva Airport. Webster Geneva has 5 buildings, including housing, dedicated offices for academic advising and career services, a full-service library, computer labs, a cafeteria, a fitness centre and student lounges. The campus is fully Wi-Fi connected and our classrooms are tech-ready, with floor-to-ceiling windows that help bring surrounding nature into the study experience. We host nearly 50 events throughout the year that are open to all students, from small academic presentations by expert guest speakers to large conferences and workshops. We offer housing both on campus for freshmen and at our city centre location for study abroad and transfer students. This former Rolex warehouse in the heart of town has magnificent views over the Rhone River with newly renovated rooms as of 2019. With a Swiss train station right on campus, we are only 8 minutes travel from the city centre, and trains run to and from town every 15 minutes throughout the day. The Webster University Geneva campus has all the benefits of an intimate but international learning community with the resources of a large university. Our students come from about 90 nationalities, making Geneva the most diverse campus by nationality across the Webster network. We offer a wide range of degree programs as well as general education and liberal arts classes. We often have the pleasure of welcoming up to 100 students annually who choose to study abroad here each year, integrating with our own Geneva-based students, both in and beyond the classroom.